Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to delete a custom variable in make.com, the kind that lives at the organization or team level and persists across all your scenarios. If you've been cluttering your variable list over time, this is how you clean it up for good. If this helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe so you never miss another Make tutorial, and let's get right into it. Before we start, it's worth understanding the difference between the two types of variables in Make. Custom variables, sometimes called organization or team level variables, are permanent. They're defined once and available across every scenario in your workspace. Scenario variables, on the other hand, are temporary. They exist only while a particular scenario is running. Today we're dealing with the permanent kind, so any changes you make here will affect your whole organization, not just one scenario. Keep that in mind before you delete anything. Now to get started, open make.com and make sure you're logged in. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see your main navigation. You're looking for the organization or team dashboard. This is the top-level area that sits above your individual scenarios and folders. Click on your organization name or navigate to your team dashboard, depending on how your workspace is set up. If you're on a free plan, you may only have an organization view. Team-level dashboards are available on paid plans. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Variables tab in the left side menu. Click on it. This opens a list of every custom variable that has been created for your organization or team. You'll see the variable name, its value, and a few action options beside each entry. Find the specific variable you want to remove. Scan through the list. If you have many variables, use your browser's built-in search with Ctrl F or Command F to locate it faster. Once you've found it, click the delete button next to that variable. Make will ask you to confirm before it does anything permanent, so when the confirmation dialog appears, click OK. The variable is now gone from your workspace. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a custom variable in make.com, freeing up your variable list and keeping your workspace tidy. If you're exploring more of Make's features, check out my other tutorials right here on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.